Hey everyone, welcome to App and Web Workshop. Today I'm showing you how to play games on TikTok using the built-in Games feature. First, open the TikTok app on your phone. Once you're on the home page, tap the plus icon at the bottom center to access the TikTok camera screen. Now, here's where the TikTok games are hidden. Swipe left on the capture button to browse through the available filters and effects. At the bottom, you'll see all effects. Tap on that. This opens the TikTok effects library. Now, swipe left through the categories until you find the games section. This is where all the TikTok mini games are stored. You can browse through different game options here. There are puzzle games, action games, and casual games available. Simply tap on any game to start playing immediately within TikTok. And that's it. You now know how to access and play games on TikTok without leaving the app. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe. Drop a comment if you have questions. Thanks for watching.